Now, children, today let's start with chapter number 9, that is India after independence. So, in this chapter, I will tell you about India after independence. So, India achieved independence on 15th August 1947. It was the occasion that marks the birth of new nation, but it also brought forth a series of formidable changes. Due to the participation of the country into India and Pakistan, nearly 8 million refugees has arrived in India, requiring urgent attention and support. Additionally, जो 500 princely states थी, it was governed by Maharajas or Nawabs. Right, these states need to be persuaded to join newly formed nation, and significant challenge was the diversity among Indian. 345 million people in 1947 belongs to different castes, practiced various religion, spoke different languages, and had diverse dietary. So therefore, the leaders of the new independent India recognized the necessity of achieving both unity and development. Unity होनी चाहिए among the different sectors of society, जो बहुत ज़्यादा crucial है किसके लिए, कि ये conflict को avoid करेगा, accessible करेगा development, जो एक vital है और एक बहुत to prevent class division. Now, formation of Indian Constitution. To ensure political and social stability, framers of Indian Constitution decide to create a constitution of the country. So, Constitution Assembly was established in 1946, consisting of representatives from various parts of India and different political parties. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the chairman of drafting committee, played a pivotal role in shaping Indian Constitution. And it emphasized the importance of not only political democracy but also of social economic democracy. Over a series of meetings held between 1946 and 1949, participants from across India had different political affiliation, deliberated for the future constitution. 300 members participated in this section, culminating an adoption of the constitution on January 1930. What are its key feature? एक तो आपका यूनिवर्सल एडल्ट फ्रेंचाइज, मतलब ऑल इंडियंस जो जिनकी एज क्या है अबव 21 ग्रांटेड राइट टू वोट, एंड सब्सिक्वेंटली बाय द 16 जब आपका 61st अमेंडमेंट हुआ उससे एज को 21 से क्या कर दिया, 18 कर दिया. Equal right कि everyone is equal. There is no discrimination on the basis of caste, creed, color. Right? सारे citizen चाहे वो हिंदू हो, मुस्लिम हो, सिख हो, जैन हो, they are given equal importance, same right for seeking jobs. Social justice. Constitution aims to provide special privilege to most disadvantaged section. It abolished the practice of untouchability and its open Hindu temple law. It recommended that certain percent of seats in the legislative government jobs were reserved for the member of lower caste. Deciding of the distribution of power between central and the state government was prolonged and continuous process. Now, to strike a balance, we have taken out 3 lists: union list, state list and concurring. यूनियन में आपके डिफेंस, फॉरेन अफेयर्स, जितने भी फाइनेंस के हैं वो रखे गए. स्टेट में आपके एजुकेशन, हेल्थ वाले को रखा गया है. कॉन्करिंग में फॉरेस्ट्री, एग्रीकल्चर, इन सबको रखा गया. राइट, देखो यूनियन खाली सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट देगी, स्टेट लिस्ट को स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, कॉन्करेंट में दोनों होंगे, स्टेट भी और सेंट्रल. राइट, नाउ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्टेट्स. So the period of the following Indian independence in 1940 witnessed a change in the country's political lights. So what happened? The Indian National Congress had made promises to different linguistic groups, assuring them on their own promise. So we have Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru and Deputy Prime Minister Vallabhbhai Patel to maintain unity and integrity of India. They believed that linguistic state might lead to further division. But this stance generated dissatisfaction among various linguistic groups, and from the Telugu scoping district of Madras Presidency, who sought a separate arms scheme. Koti Srimullu, एक prominent advocate थे, and in October 1952 he embarked on hunger strike. 50 days के hunger strike पे चले गए थे, garnering widespread support. So what happened? In December 1962, Koti Srimullu lost his life due to fast, and demand of separate state was not conceded. ठीक है? So what happened? October 1963, Andhra Pradesh was established and became an Andhra Pradesh. The development triggered demands to separate state from other. कि हम linguistic कुछ language के basis पे it's very difficult to make a separate state. So what happened? एक state reorganization commission established हुई 1956 में. Commission ने present करी अपने report और क्या recommend करा कि creation of compact provision on linguistic groups जैसे Assamese, Odia, Bengali and Telugu speaker. Boundaries in North India were redrawn to form multiple states. और 1960 में क्या करा, बॉम्बे को 2 bilingual states, मराठी स्पीकिंग एंड अदर गुजराती स्पीकर्स में डिवाइड कर दिया. ऐसे पंजाब को करा, हरियाणा को करा, हिंदी और हरियाणा. आप देख सकते हैं डिवीजन दिखाया हुआ है. प्लानिंग फॉर डेवलपमेंट. नाउ इन 1950 गवर्नमेंट स्टैब्लिश प्लानिंग कमीशन, जो क्या फॉर्मुलेट करेगी एप्रोप्रिएट इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी. It generally agreed upon that India would adopt mixed economy and the state could collaborate with private enterprises. Next is taking inspiration from Soviet Union. India introduced 5-year plan to promote economic growth. And second 5-year plan were, for instance, emphasize heavy industry, steel production, dam construction, state-owned enterprises. Now, Indian today, as we celebrate 70 years of independence, one of the most significant achievement is that preservation of Indian democratic fabric. To country boost independent judiciary, uphold the principle of freedom, and to maintain secular tradition. Right? Now, people of India unite to celebrate their shared identity on national days, embodying profound sense of nationalism. These achievements do not overshadow the existing challenges. और जो economic inequality है, they become more conspicuous due to economic development and prosperity. और जो gap था इसके बीच में wealthy और less privileged का, they grow more pronounced and visible. So, in vast country with substantial population, it is imperative for each individual to actively contribute to building a cleaner and better. हमारे आदमियों को हमें कैसा बनाना है? Cleaner और better India. Achieving our shared ideals requires collective efforts both at individual as well as your society. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.